Make money work for you online fitness coaching. Want to turn your passion for fitness into a profitable career? Hi everyone, welcome to Learn and Earn. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start your very own online fitness coaching business in 2025. Let's dive in. Becoming an online fitness coach is an exciting way to help others achieve their fitness goals while building a flexible and profitable business. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and connect with clients worldwide. Plus, doing what you love never feels like work. Here's how to kickstart your fitness coaching journey. Build your online presence. Share workout videos on YouTube. Showcase your fitness journey on Instagram or TikTok. Create a professional website to attract clients. Create and sell eBooks. Compile workout plans, diet tips, and fitness advice into an ebook. Publish on Amazon KDP for global reach and passive income. Sell online courses and tutorials. Film workout tutorials for platforms like Skillshare and Udemy. Offer courses for all fitness levels to attract a wider audience. Offer personal coaching on freelance platforms. Sign up on Upwork or Fiverr. Provide one-on-one coaching, custom workout plans, and consultations. Success doesn't happen overnight, but here are some tips to help you grow. Stay consistent with content. Post regularly on social media and engage with your audience. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and host live questions and answers sessions to build trust. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest fitness trends and earn certifications to boost your credibility. Starting an online fitness coaching business is a rewarding way to share your passion and make a difference in people's lives. From building a strong online presence to selling ebooks and courses, the opportunities are endless. Are you ready to take the leap? Let me know in the comments what step you're most excited about. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on building a thriving online business. For details, visit the website mentions below in description.